Most believers are just enjoying an aspect of favor. I've mentioned that. Just an aspect of favor. Of things. No. Favor is broad, tripartite in nature. Access, acceptance, and kindness. The Lord did what? Yes. It is God that what? Brings favor. Not a man. Because you see, this is the mercy of many people. They run to people, help me. Sir, please, can you help me? You have run to 30 people and they are failing you. God is now your last option. No! It is God that gives favor. If God doesn't give you favor, you can never get favor. It's like a mark placed upon you. Oh, they see this person to favor him. Remember what is speaking in the book of Esther? The Bible says Esther found what? Favor in the sight of what? Oh, not strong. So it was a mark placed upon her. All that see this person should favor him. That mark too can come upon you. The only people that are permitted not to favor you are the blind people.